How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 no notification sound. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then scroll down in last and click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn on your off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications, and then click on apps notification. Now here you can turn on your notifications. After turn on your notifications, then go back and scroll down, and here you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.